Hi, to change screen recorder sound settings on your Vivo V40, we will need to trigger the control center first, just by swiping 2 times from the upper right corner. And here, just search for the feature screen recording. And in my case, it is located on the second page. This one records screen. So, we need to press and hold it to check its settings. And here, we can enable display touch trajectory, and we can go in the picture quality. Just switch from the medium to high, for example, and here we can enable this interesting feature recording in progress to not disturb. And after that, just go in the record sound, and here you can choose any of these options: system audio, microphone audio, system audio and microphone sound, or none if you don't want to record with sound. Let's select this one, for example, and now we can start recording from here. Or we can trigger the control center once more, go in the second page and simply tap this icon. Here, agree with terms of use. And now we need to start recording. So here you'll be able to see the time of your recording. You can just move this floating window anywhere across the screen. You can tap it, pause recording, and then resume later. Or you can stop this recording if you just tap this square icon. Let me show you this closer. Just tap it, and now this file is saved to the album. So let's open album here. And now we need to find our screen recordings. It is located in my folder screen recordings. And yeah, here it is. So here you'll be able to see the channel. And we just made a recording with sound. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.